Township Entrepreneurs Stories is a web series proudly brought to you by T. We profile small businesses nationwide that are providing services and products ekasi.
Hi, my name is Kate, the founder of Kate and Daughters Craft, and our business started in 2022 and we are operating at Zone 12 Extension Sebokeng. I started because I saw the lack of the product that we are making. Here at Val, we don't have such product. So I started because I also love the earrings. It started with the earrings. Okay, we sell the earrings and the bracelets. We also do crochet head, crochet tops. We crochet dresses as well. Our products are available nationwide for Korea. Our products are very unique, rare to find. You won't find them anywhere. If you have my earrings, it will be only you wearing my earrings. Oh, the contact details where you can find us is on Facebook, Kate Hlongwane, Kate Marita on Facebook, and our contact details are 084 22 47417. Hi, my name is Kate Hlongwane and I'm a township entrepreneur.